Hey, how you doing? This is Thurston White right here, and I'm gonna try to make some Irish moss powder into sea moss gel. So I went to a local business, Sage Organics. If you're in Hampton Roads area, 757 Tidewater area, Sage Organics. Stop, Nitro. Pip. The Rottweiler's biting stance. Excuse me. Got a puppy Rottweiler. Stop. I want to turn this Irish sea moss powder into sea moss gel. So the instructions on the back, instructions are simple. It says that 1/4 cup of powder should thicken 2 cups of water. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna go ahead, get me some water on, about 2 cups of water boiling to see exactly how this goes. You might want to speed up a little bit, but so I started my sea moss journey. You know, everybody listening to Dr. Sebi, we're listening to Nipsey Hussle, and then we just wanted to see the benefits of sea moss. So I consumed sea moss for a while. The Rottweiler was moving and staying there. I consumed sea moss for a while. I liked it. I purchased some, got it through the mail, and let me turn this water on boil. I purchased sea moss from someone online, and when I got it through the mail, it came in a plastic pack, but it was just so hot. And it was just so hot, and I was like, this can't be safe. It may be possibly contaminated. So I went and purchased the powder, because that's all they had in stock at the time, and I'm going to go ahead and make my own sea moss gel. Right now I have my water boiling. It says that 1/4 cup of powder should thicken 2 cups of water. So I have my Ninja here. I'm gonna use my Ninja to mix it up. Boom, boom, boom. I'll get the water hot. And then I have my Pyrex, so I can make sure I have 2 cups that I do put in there. And this is the measurement for the magic. So I'm gonna go ahead and time this out, and I'm gonna time it back on when the water's boiling. But this is my journey to make some sea moss. And I also have purchased this bladder wrack. I purchased the bladder wrack in capsules this time because I had this. If y'all saw my earlier video, go ahead, check out my videos. I got an early one where I used the sea moss, dose, and bladder wrack together, and that stuff just tasted so disgusting. So I can consume the bladder wrack in the capsule form, so I don't have that seaweedy, shrimpy, messed up taste in my mouth. The sea moss is pretty much tasteless, and that's it. This is a journey to get healthy. I've gained some weight during the coronavirus, so I want to go ahead and start detoxing, get my system back clean. You see my little supplements right there. I have protein, I have walnuts, some pre-workout powder. I have moringa, beets, superfood, and a couple other things right there that I use to stay healthy. Let's wait while the water is burning for it. So I get into some of the other supplements I use. I also have ginkgo biloba, helps you focus. And it has a little red, I don't know how to pronounce that, but ginseng extract in it. It's great for focusing. Take one of these, don't, can't drop nothing. One of these daily, boom. And I also was recently introduced to, one second. I was recently introduced to something else right here. American ginseng with royal jelly and bee pollen. I'm just 5 days into taking this, so I can't really tell you the results, but I do consume it in the morning time. So stay tuned. I'll let you know, keep you updated with what's going on. Check on the water over here. It's like you can't watch a pot boil, but it's gonna come. It's like I say, mix it all up, boom, boom, boom. We're gonna have some sea moss gel, and I'm gonna drink a tablespoon every morning when I wake up. I'll consume a tablespoon of it when I return home in the evening. And the key to doing this, you don't want to introduce the sea moss into your body and you're not changing your diet. So you have to make sure you're changing your diet. You have to cut out white stuff, cut out fats, cut out starch, cut out alcohol, cut out dairy is the main thing, because one of the main benefits of sea moss is going to get the mucus out of your body. So dairy, whether it's cheese or milk, is going to clog the body back up with mucus. So this is a journey to get the mucus out of the body. Let me check on my water. Still not there yet. But just hold on. I'll turn it back on in a second. All right, y'all, the water's boiling. So it's time to get the rocking and rolling. I know, baby, got a hot pan. Oh, that's hot. Hot pan, hot pan. So we need 2 cups. Hot water is not boiling. Stop it right at the point of boiling. So this is a 2-cup Pyrex. Get 2 cups in there. Boom. 2 cups exactly. Stove off. Now, sea moss powder. You don't want to get in my video, babe?
Oh, thank you.
I make you famous.
That's all right.
You sure?
I'm fine.
Quarter cup. Yeah, I put the water in there first so it's set up on it. There's the water. Quarter cup. Sea moss gel.
No.
It's like it's totally separated. It's not even sinking or connecting.
No.
Check it out. A little bit.
No.
It's got a terrible odor already. Though. Go ahead and let it drip for a while. Got the counter on here. 60 seconds. Let's go for like 20 seconds. Let's keep rolling a little bit. The dog's scared. That's 30 seconds flat. Thickened up pretty good. So now just gotta cool it. Purchased these little jars earlier from the store. Next move. Put it in a little jar. I'm not selling sea moss, y'all, so don't hit me up asking how much for the sea moss. Oh snap. Guess it had a little heat in it. You wanna taste something, babe? Huh? Hmm?
No, thank you.
Sure. Stick and gooey. It's like some warm peanut butter right now. I'll put it in the refrigerator. Let it cool down. Can't put nothing hot in the refrigerator though while it's steaming. So say this is the Kia Light. This contains what, 92 minerals, baby, from the body. Sea moss. You hear me? She ain't with it. So that's the sea moss. Let's do a little honest taste test of how it tastes. Come here, babe. Taste something online. Kita. Come here, taste it with a spoon. I give you $20. Taste one spoon. $20, babe. It don't taste like nothing. That's disgusting. Maybe I made
Thank
it too
you
thick.
for the confirmation.
Huh? Oh my god.
Look at it, Nitro.
Alright. Definitely not the best thing in the world. Oh my god. But I'm gonna pull it off. I'm gonna let it sit up. I'll be consuming it, so. Come in, Nitro. Maybe I did it too thick. 2 cups and a quarter cup. Let's see. I'll come back on after it cool off and gel up. Stop. Siri came on. Mess with whole recording now. All right, everybody, I'm back. It's been about, how long has it been? About 15 minutes. It's set up. So now I have my very own sea moss gel. This is pretty thick. I think next time I'll do it a little thinner. I'll put a quarter cup of powder. I'll put a quarter of a cup of sea moss powder to 2 cups of water. Next time I'll put it to maybe like 2.5 cups to thin it out a little bit, but definitely got gel. It's set up. Sea moss gel. And it's definitely, you don't want none of this. I bet the dog won't even eat. Can I get the dog something and see if he eat it? Please?
You're not gonna do that.
The dog, I'm gonna say the dog eats sea moss, but I'm gonna try something first. We both tried it at the same time, me and Nitro.
No, don't give them that.
Huh?
No.
He got to detoxify.
No, he doesn't.
He got to clean his organs out.
Mm-mm.
Well, she said I can't get the dog the sea moss gel, so I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna take a grown man's portion of it. You gonna try something, baby?
No, thank you.
So this is my. I can't even keep a straight face thinking about what I'm about to do to myself. This is my very first sea moss gel that I've made, so I'm not happy right now. But here it goes.
Don't spit it out. Don't spit it out.
I don't know, baby, if I can do this sea moss thing.
He's scared of you.
Oh my god. Oh,
Look at Daddy.
oh my god. Alright. So it was a success. It's delicious. You probably hear me down here gagging every morning. But I'm gone. I'm going to sleep. Sea moss gel. I think I made it too thick, but
Oh, he got a potty. He got a potty.
He got a potty. Why you say that?
Sniff him.
He licking the sea moss. I think I spit some out.
Oh.
I gotta clean the floor, y'all. Sea moss gel benefits. Just you gotta take it down. You can't play no games. Peace.